Hey guys, LK here. Welcome back to another Dead by Daylight video. My throat. The new killer and new survivor is in Dead by Daylight. The Artist and Jonah. Hope you guys enjoy them. They're pretty fun. And today for this video, I'm going to be playing as the Artist. So, the new killer, the Artist. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And I guess we'll get straight into the video playing the Artist. Hope you enjoy. Also, I hope you enjoy my other two Dead by Daylight videos doing Survivor Friends Part 1 with King Noah and CGM Still. We faced the Doctor, but I'm not going to leave any more information until that video comes out, so I hope you enjoy that one when it comes out. And also, I hope you enjoy the Survivor Friends Part 2, playing with We Have Cookies and Zombie Cat. And if you don't know who Zombie Cat is, he's my brother, just to let you know. And We Have Cookies is my cousin. So I hope you enjoy those two Dead by Daylight videos. And they're going to come out after the Artist gameplay. So hope you enjoy those.
Teach me about fucking style.
Did you hit it? Alright. I'll do my best. Hopefully. Hopefully. It's the new map. I didn't even pick it either. Okay. Oh, I got one. Two of them. I missed. Oh, I hit her too. Maybe I'll put her on a score check. Nope, there isn't one near. God damn it. There isn't one near. So I had to put her on this one. I can't put her on a score check because they're too far away. Okay, don't judge me if they gen rush me. Oh, I didn't know. I shot it at the right place. They were on that gen when I shot it. Okay, I should break that pallet, huh? Where is she? Nah, fuck it. I'm gonna put her on a score check. I'll make it. The generator's gonna explode. That one. Definitely that one exploded. Can you kick it when it? Yeah. No, you can't kick it. She's pretty cool. I like her. Don't fuck with me when I'm Nemesis. I mean, not Nemesis, the artist. My bad. My bad, guys. I said the wrong killer. That's funny. Bitch! You should have saw that I sniped her with the crow. I'm doing pretty good with her. Now deadlock should activate because they finished the gen. Yeah, she's not too bad. Go, crows! Get them. I can activate Hex Pedimento. Watch. Now the generator should go really slow. It should take really slow for them to repair one. That missed. Wow. Oh, I'm swinging too slow. I was swinging too slow. So I activated Hex Pedimento. The generator should go really slow, right? It should go really slow. Oh, someone was on that gen. Okay. Hold on. I don't know if she's out of the game yet. So yeah, with Hex Pedimento, the generator should go really slow when they repair it. Where'd she go? Oh. Is she immortal? Nope. Damn it, dude. Fuck it. I'm putting her on a scorch hook. Right? I'm starting to like Hex Pedimenta, right? Oh, she got rid of it just in time. She died. They didn't even save her, huh? I'm doing good. I have confidence and I'm doing good with her. Maybe I'll kill them all on the video. Let's see. She's Moriable. Check it out, guys. The Mori. Damn. I love Hex Pedimenta. Yeah, we got time. She's dead. I love Hex Pedimenta. Wow. I sniped her with that bird. Oh, she's over there. I know exactly where you are. I know exactly where she is. See? I missed? Where'd she go? Oh, she picked her up. Alright. Where'd she go? Damn it. Oh, found her. She's not Moriable. Claudette is, but she's not. That's her first hook. She didn't even get hooked at all. Claudette should be over here, right? Yeah. Nope, she's not moorable either. I only moored one person. It's fine. Well, I guess I killed them all on the video. I like her power. The hatch is over here. I don't see it though. I heard the hatch, but I couldn't see it. Ruthless killer. I'm always ruthless killer, it seems like. I'm always ruthless.